They say painting's therapeutic, Andrew. You feel like you're in therapy?
Whenever I'm with you, I feel like it's therapy.
Welcome back. It's another morning. Still too wet to harvest, so we're gonna have another rain day vlog here. But I'm gonna go in here and check out what this corn's looking like. I'm in the corn plot playing with Andrew's high-tech planter. This stuff was planted on June 5th. Just kind of curious of kind of how far along it is, because we've got some wet corn or late planted corn in other places. Something's chewing on it. Decent looking corn. Nice stuff. The tentative plan for today is to fix the baler, jockey the equipment around in that big shed over there, and then go work on a roof. Yay. So here's the cover crop plot. Man, look at that. That's pretty cool. That must be the Milo. That's pretty neat. Pretty neat. Kind of a diverse. Holy smokes. Look at that one. Don't worry. I'm not about to eat another radish. But look at that. Should I pull that up? Woo. Go back in there. Oh, there's a radish right next to it. That's cool. That there is cool. Diversified plot, cover crop plot right there. Goose. Okay, this is fixed. Basically all that happened was that two tabs, and this is not a pretty fix. Two tabs broke right here, so I tried to weld those two tabs back on, but I had to add another piece here. All it does is stop this shield from vibrating. But welded that on, had a torch on it a little bit, got it ready to go, put it back together. Now this baler is done for the year, and we get to take it back over to the other shed, and we're gonna be restacking the other shed, and Andrew just said that the Haggie's tire is flat. So we got to work on that next after we put the rest of the shields on this, correct? Good to go. On to the next one. Okay, we're moving things now. You might be wondering why we took the time to fix that. In the comment section below, guess how much John Deere wanted for that little piece of tin? Well, I guess we're not going to restack the shed. I thought we were going to put these seed tenders in this back corner where that bean planter is. So the bean planter needs to get worked on, but apparently we're just going to pull out the Haggie, go back that small square baler right into this spot right here, and that's going to be good for now. Oh, hey, let me help you out. I'll help you out. You thought I was going to get out and help, but no, I'll just give you some light. We're at the roofing project. We got to tar this little shingle thing. Whoa, man, Andrew, get you some of that.
I don't know how you're gonna roll that stuff.
Okay. Roofing project's done. If you need professional roofers, don't call us.
That's right.
The next thing on the list is to get this 9400 home. We stopped in at John Deere there to pick up some parts, and they said the 9400 it was done. The 9400 went down this spring, and essentially an ejector went out of it, and it seems like it might have been caused by some previous mechanic work done to it, but that was before we owned this tractor. Anyways, it's been there basically all summer, and it's finally done. So one of the great things about this tractor is that it's a power shift. One of the not so great things about this tractor is that it's like an early power shift, and so you have to start out in first gear if you stop, no matter what. So it takes you a little bit of time to actually get going up to road speed. So there's 10, there's 11, here's the last one, there's 12, down the road. Oh, they're just being done for the year. We're gonna end the video there. I'm out here with my professional crop scouter. He said we got lots of beetles out there in the field, and I'd say he's correct. But thank you guys for watching this video, and thank you to everybody that subscribed recently to the channel. We're glad to have you along for the harvest this year, and we'll catch you on the next video. Come on, come on. You can do it. Go on. Go on. Come on. Come on, you can do that. Go on. Come on. I ain't going back there. Come on. Let's go. It's not that big of a jump. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on, bud. Come here. I ain't coming back there. Come on. Come on. Here, hold on to that.
It's like you ain't never left me before.
Yeah,
Come on, Bandit. You can jump it.
come on. Yeah, gee, it makes me throw a bale back. You nutcase. All right, get off my stack. Like I said, everybody needs a blue healer.